Installing apps on your Philips Smart TV is easy once you follow the correct steps. In this video, I will show you how to install apps on a Philips Smart TV, whether you have an Android/Google TV model or a Saphi/older model. I'll also cover common installation problems and how you can fix them at home. Let's start with Philips Android or Google TV models. First, make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Without internet, apps will not download. Now press the home button on your remote to open the home screen. When the home screen appears, move to the Apps tab or row. From there, open the Google Play Store. It has a colorful triangle icon. If you do not see the Play Store, go to the search option inside Apps and look for it, or press and hold the Google Assistant button on your remote and say Play Store. That will open it for you. Once the Play Store is open, use the search icon to type the name of the app you want. If you do not want to type, you can browse categories like apps or games and look through the list. When you find the app, select it and press install. Wait for the download and installation to finish. After it is done, press the home button again, go back to the apps section, and open your newly installed app. Now let's talk about Philips Saphi and older models. These TVs use App Gallery instead of the Play Store. Press the Home or Smart TV button on your remote to open the main screen. Then scroll to the App section and open App Gallery. Inside App Gallery, you can look through the available categories to find an app, or use the search feature at the top if you already know the app name. When you find the app you want, select it and choose Add or Install. Wait for it to finish and the app will appear on your home screen. Remember, older models have limited apps. If you do not see an app inside App Gallery, it cannot be installed on that TV. If you have an Android TV model and the app is not available in the store, you can install it using an APK file. Go to Settings. After that, choose Device Preferences, then Security and Restrictions, and turn on Unknown Sources. Next, download the APK file on your computer and copy it to a USB drive. Plug the USB drive into your TV, open File Manager, find the APK file, and select it to install. Now let's fix common problems. If the Google Play Store is not showing, check the Apps tab again, or press and hold the Google Assistant button and say Play Store. If you cannot find an app, it may not be supported on your TV, and Saphi or older models only allow apps available in App Gallery. If an app is not installing, check your internet, wait a few minutes, or restart the TV and try again. If the app is installed but not visible, go to the app section and scroll through the full list. For installation errors or compatibility issues, update your TV software and try again. That's it for this video on how to install apps on your Philips Smart TV. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you download and install your favorite apps without any confusion. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and useful tech guides. If you have any questions or if one of these methods worked for you, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.